Yes, Your Honor, in this case, the defendant refused to pay an $84.40 tab for foods and drinks at the Views and Grill restaurant on 200 Peachtree Street Northwest, Atlanta, Georgia. There is a current bond on this case of $1,000 surety. The state's going to request that the bond be reduced to a $3,000 signature bond, a stay away from the Views Bar and Grill restaurant, and no alcohol, drugs, and weapons. Nothing further, Your Honor.
Scant.
The defense consents to the signature bond, and we are unopposed to the stay away, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna make it $1,000 signature bond through the jail, stay away from the 200 Peachtree Street address, no drugs, alcohol, or weapons while out on bond. Good luck to you, Ms. Mattis.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
All right.
I know you were trying to get some information on position 16.
Yes.
He waived his presence. He spoke to the conflict attorney, and he said he wanted to waive his presence, his appearance. So I don't know.
Okay. Ms. McLeod,
Yes, Your Honor.
is this your case, Mr. White?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
Okay, and did he waive his appearance?
Yes, Your Honor, he did.
Okay, and all right, thank you, courtroom two. So
Thank
you want to proceed with him today? Did you file a waiver of his appearance?
No, Your Honor, I haven't done so yet. But
Okay.
he did want the court to consider his bond. He just did not want to appear, Your Honor. He did not want.
Okay, so
I will file a waiver for him.
Please file a waiver. And let's see, is there a history, Mr. Howard?
11 total. He's been in jail since January on probation violations, possession by a convicted felon, possession of marijuana with intent, possession of MDMA with intent. 2019 probation violation, same charges. Another 2019 arrest probation violation, 2018 probation violation. And the arrest before that was just the charges he was put on probation for. Does have a failure to arrest from 2010. You know what that means, right? I'll put it in the chat. Nah, I'll put it in the chat.
Oh, okay, thank you. Anything further?
No.
All right, thank you. Ms. Mitchell?
Yes, Your Honor. In this case, the defendant battered Miss Shantae, spelled SHAUNTAE, Thomas, by pushing her arm, causing her to drop and break her phone to stop her from recording his actions during a dispute over an Instagram post about their son. Miss Thomas and defendant share a child together. I believe this incident occurred May 3rd, 2020, as stated by the police report. Miss Thomas received, on that date, Miss Thomas received a screenshot of the defendant's girlfriend, Savonne, spelled SAVONNE, Gibson, who posted on Instagram and stated that somebody please shoot this baby in the head for me so his ugly disease-infested HOE mom can leave our lives, poo, with a picture of Miss Thomas's child. Ms. Thomas reached out to the defendant to talk about the situation and met at defendant's residence and had her cousin, Roderick Adams, drive her there. Ms. Thomas started recording with her phone just in case something happened. When Ms. Thomas got out of the vehicle, the defendant and the defendant's girlfriend got into a verbal argument. The defendant's girlfriend pulled out a pink and black gun and waved it at Ms. Thomas. That's when Ms. Thomas advised that she's recording the situation, and the defendant then struck her arm, causing her phone to drop and break. Ms. Thomas had a video. That video showed the defendant's girlfriend waving a pink and black gun to Ms. Thomas, and then after a few more moments of them going back and forth, it ended abruptly. So on June 29th of 2020, the defendant and defendant's girlfriend showed up to Ms. Thomas's house and spoke to her through her Ring doorbell while she was not there, stating to come outside and that the defendant's girlfriend was going to kill her. Your Honor, in this case, the defendant's bond, in this case, the state's bond recommendation is going to be a $3,000 surety bond, no further contact with Shantae Thomas. We're going to request that there be no third-party contact with the child in this case, being that we are heavily concerned for the child's safety at this point. Stay away from the address 1634 Lakewood Avenue, Atlanta, Georgia, which I believe that is where the initial incident on May 3rd took place, where he knocked away her phone, struck her arm, causing her phone to drop. We're also going to request a stay away from Miss Thomas's home. We don't have the exact address, but it is stated in the police report that it is in DeKalb County. A one-day anger awareness course, and no alcohol, drugs, and weapons. Your Honor, the state's concerned, defendant's risk of reoffending. The defendant did show up to Ms. Thomas' house unannounced while she was at home with threats. He also brought his girlfriend. We are concerned about Ms. Thomas's safety along with the safety of her child due to the statements and threats made from the defendant and his girlfriend. Again, we're concerned intimidation of Ms. Thomas in this case, being that they were willing to show up unannounced to her home to intimidate her. And the defendant in this case in the past has had 19 probation violations from 2014 to 2022. So that's going to be the basis of our recommendation today, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Mitchell. Ms. McLeod?
Yes, Your Honor, this incident happened about 2 years ago. Since then, my client tells me he has not had any contact and does not wish to have any contact whatsoever with Ms. Thomas. The court will note that the most serious allegation against my client was that he knocked the phone out of Ms. Thomas's hand. It is said that he accompanied his girlfriend, but it sounds to me like most of what is alleged, any threats or any intimidation, sounds like it was from this girlfriend as opposed to my client. My client understands that they share a child, but because he doesn't want to have any contact with Ms. Thomas. He tells me that he pays child support, but he has no interest in contacting her concerning the child because of all the drama that comes with that, Your Honor. He just pays child support and he stays away from her. And unfortunately, he also has to stay away from his son because he wants to avoid any kind of confrontation. My client works in construction, Your Honor. He has his own construction business. He does rehabbing of houses and stuff like that. He has skills in that direction. I think given how long ago this incident happened and the fact that there has been no allegations that anything has happened since between himself and Ms. Thomas, he would be a good candidate for a signature bond and with a stay away order, Your Honor. If the court thinks he should not be eligible for this, then we would ask the court to order as low a bond as possible so that he can get out and get on with his life.
Thank you, Ms. McLeod. Ms. Thomas, I see you there. You do not have to address the court. If you want to address the court, this is your opportunity to do so. If you want to address the court, I'll need for you to unmute yourself and to activate your camera.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good. Can you raise your right hand for me?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear affirm the testimony you're about to give before this court be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can put your hand down, Ms. Thomas. What would you like to tell the court?
Yes, sir. Unfortunately, Tellis Raymond White does not pay any child support. Unfortunately, I have definitely been threatened since this situation happened 2 years ago. Yes, the young lady still comes by my house. I'm in the process of moving because I don't know what to do. I have other children as well. And yeah, I don't wish to have any contact, because he's definitely still in contact with this woman, and she still rides by the house, and I don't know what else to do except for to move and try to transfer somewhere safe with the job that I have.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Thomas. I appreciate you telling us that. Anything further, council?
No, Your Honor.
All right, a $3,000 good bond, no further contact with Ms. Thomas. Stay away from Ms. Thomas's residence. No drugs, alcohol, or weapons while out on bond. Okay. And I think with that, that concludes the calendar. And I have Ms. Bridgewater in court with me today. So as soon as she is ready, we'll go over the calendar.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Again, the reset date for SAP is February the 22nd, 2022. Did you all get all of those too? Yes, okay.
I don't think that they are.
I think you're ready.
I think
I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
I just had
All right.
a delay button. I'm sorry.
All right.
Position number 1 is reset further notice with a $2,000 total SOB through the jail. Position 2 is reset further notice with a $2,500 total SOB through the jail. Position 3 is reset to the SAP calendar with a $1,000 total good bond. Position 4 is reset to the SAP calendar with a $2,000 good bond. Position 5 is reset further notice with a $3,000 total SOB through the jail. Position 6 is reset further notice with a $1,000 SOB through the jail. Position 7 is reset further notice with a $3,000 total SOB through the jail. Position 8 is reset SAP with a $4,000 total split bond. Position 9 is reset SAP with a $3,000 good bond. Position 10 is reset further notice with a $1,000 SOB through the jail. Position 11 is reset SAP with a $1,500 total good bond. Position 12 is reset further notice with a $2,500 SOB through the jail. Position 13 is reset further notice with a $2,000 SOB through pretrial. Position 14 is reset further notice with a $3,500 total SOB through the jail. Position 15 is reset further notice with a $2,000 SOB through pretrial per judge. And position 16 is reset to the SAP calendar with a $3,000 good bond. Are there any questions, comments, or otherwise?
Okay, if not, I will see everyone tomorrow. Y'all have a good evening.
Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.